Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So, first video of 2026. Hope you guys are having a good year so far, but I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys real quick about my plans for this year. You know, one of my goals is going to be to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Give the video a like and a share. That would help me out a lot as well. But yeah, goals for 2026. For this car, not too much. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be uploading videos, because my plan is to buy another project car. This car, my Lexus, there's like, you know, there's not much else that I can do to it. Maybe like change the front bumper if a company that I'm in contact with, if they're going to release a bumper that I want. But other than that, you know, just not much. I still want to do my swan neck spoiler, so maybe I will do that. But we'll see. But like I said, I want to get a new project car this year. As you guys can tell from the thumbnail of the video, that's what I'm thinking about. You know, let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm not one of the big YouTubers that has like a lot of money coming in through YouTube or content creating. So it's going to be me funding it myself. I've been looking for like a FRS, like a first gen FRS or a BRZ, all over the United States, basically. You know, everywhere that rust is not a problem. So like basically no upper Midwest cars, because I know like Minnesota, Wisconsin, that area, they get a lot of snow, so I don't want to have to deal with like rust. But I've been looking all in California, Texas, Florida, just trying to find like a nice FRS, white FRS or BRZ, low miles, maybe not crazy low, but just not crazy high, and a clean title. And that's kind of hard to find, because everybody, you know, they get an FRS or a BRZ and that platform, and they just want to just put all these mods to it. So I know that's going to be hard for me to find a nice one and do my project on, but I do have a while before I need to buy the car. So let me just talk about the kit that I plan on buying right now. So it is the Neo86 kit from Result Japan, and this kit caught a lot of attention over at Tokyo Auto Salon, other than the Baby 32. But yeah, this kit is pretty nice. It has pop-up headlights. Kit comes with front bumper, the headlights, the side markers, I believe, and then the blinkers, new hood, new fenders. The front fenders are going to be fully replaceable, so you just take off the front ones and then install the new ones. And then it comes with like the door moldings along the side, and then as you go to the back, it has the quarter panels, the new rear bumper, and a deck led spoiler. And I think it's like a 14-piece kit, and it is not cheap. So talking to Result Japan and the dealers over here in the United States, I kind of figured that the cost for the whole kit landed at my doorstep. It's going to be almost $10,000. So that's a lot of money. And that's why I'm asking you guys to support me by subscribing and liking these videos that I'm going to be doing. And hope you guys will tune in for the build series that I'm going to be doing for that new project car as well. So as you guys saw in the video, the car is white, and it has like the whole Initial D look to it. I've never even seen the Initial D before. I just think that this project car would be a pretty cool car to build. And pop-up headlights have been gone for a while now, so it is refreshing to see that they are bringing it back in. So I'm not going to get too much into what I plan on doing, because I'm going to wait until those build series do come. But I just want to just let you guys know that I do plan on passive dipping the car white. That's why I want the car to be white already, so that the jams don't have to be all funny looking. So yeah, just white and like the whole Initial D look to it. But yeah, in 2026 here, as well as my project car, I am starting Too Slow For You as a business as well. I'm probably going to be starting doing plastic dipping on cars. So if you guys want you guys' car to be plastic dip and you guys are in the Seattle area, go ahead and hit me up. But like I said in this video, just want to come on here and just say what's up to you guys and make sure that you guys are having a good 2026 so far. But let's go ahead, and if you guys are new to the channel, let's go ahead and just look at this car real quick. This is my show car Lexus. I'll just turn the camera around real quick and show you guys here. But yeah, this is my Lexus right here, and it is my show car that I bring to shows and just, I guess, plastic dip advertisement for my business. But yeah, this car is plastic dipped. It has the ultra high gloss on it as well. It has the ARC Performance discontinued white body kit on some work CR3P wheels. Yeah, guys, I am really excited for the new project car. Hopefully everything goes through. And then I got some carbon Kevlar engine covers here. Not too much done with the engine here. Just intake, a turbo muffler delete, and like a tune real quick. But yeah, not too much going on here. But you know, you guys can let me know what you guys think about my Lexus here. So of course I will be keeping you guys updated on anything that I do with the FRS build. If I order the kit now, the kit probably won't even get here until summertime. So I do have until summertime to find an FRS that would be good enough for the body kit as well. And let me just show you guys something real quick. All the fish died. All the ones that I bring to my car show with me, they all died. And if you guys don't know what I mean, this right here is how my trunk looks like when I am at car shows. And I do have fish that are in there as well. But yeah, they all, I don't know how they died, but then, because I have a heater and everything in there, but I don't know, maybe they just didn't want to travel the world with me anymore. Hopefully you guys will follow along as I continue building my Lexus and building the project car as well. But I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life, go slow.